Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We'll demonstrate on a 2016 Ford F-150, guys, right here. If you open the hood, you have two different fuse boxes, but under the hood is the main fuse box for the truck, guys. Okay, the one that's quite important. So in the engine bay, right behind the car battery, you have a fuse box here. If I zoom in a little bit, okay, give me a second, so I can zoom in and you can clearly see that cover for the fuse box right here. If you open that fuse box, you will see a layout that will look just like this one right there. This one will be the front of the truck, this is towards the windshield. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So the fuse for the cruise control now. Before we continue, check this thing out. You guys have specific fuses and relays for Ford that could be really hard to find in small towns in the middle of nowhere. They can be really overpriced at the parts stores. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from. I usually keep some spares for peace of mind in the glove box, guys. So we'll recommend to do that. Right here you will have, okay, that fuse panel right here, guys, and the fuse specifically for the cruise control will be in that row of fuses. Starting from the very bottom will be the third fuse up, okay, and that fuse is known as a fuse 109. That 10M fuse is the one that you will need to check.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.